Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2025 Airstream 30RB Queen. It's hot out, but this is one cool looking trailer. So, typical Airstream, we have the LP bottles up front, powered tongue jack. I'll show you the off-camp side. We do have this storage. Great place for your power cable. We have your water hookup, tandem axle. It is a Globetrotter. I think I failed to mention that when I first rattled off the information. I do want to show you this rear storage. So this is underneath the queen bed. Nice here in the shade. It's a warm one today. And then here is the campsite. We have an awning that goes almost the length. There's a Globetrotter badging. Awning that goes almost the entire length of the RV. And now for the goodness. I really like the way this one is set up. So you have this long and narrow, I'm gonna go ahead and close the door, long and narrow dining table and just wide open spaces. You could hold a square dance in here. Very, very nice. And then you have this rear couch that's the width of the RV. Typical storage and plenty of it. You have your hooks for your jackets, hang up hat, whatever, keys. Nice deep stainless steel sink. And then you also have this spray nozzle for easy cleanup. You have this small waste basket for vegetables or whatever you're cooking, and then you have a trash basket here, garbage basket. This is a real interesting drawer here, kind of a double-decker affair. And then I always show and just really like the silverware caddy that Airstream brings to bear. So we have a 3-burner cooktop. Let me slide over on this side. And then a conventional and convection oven. Nice storage there. Above cabinet storage. And you have those mirrors. That way if you have something here, you don't misplace it is what I'm trying to say. These cubbies are really nice for spices. And then look at this cabinet here. Nice and deep. And then, so on some models, you have a microwave here if you have a conventional oven down here. So love to hear your comments in the bottom. Would you rather have a conventional oven with a microwave oven, or do you like the microwave oven, cooktop, and then this cabinet for storage? We have your refrigerator and freezer. And quite frankly, I would love to jump inside this freezer and just hang out for a little bit. We have a nice cabinet here. And then you also have your hang-up clothes that you can put right here. And then we have our shower. We have our clothing line. We also have an exhaust. And then very, very nice and clean and bright. And you also have an LED light for your shower, easy cleanup. We'll back up 2 steps and then we see the bathroom. So we have the commode, and then I love the light colored wood, and then plenty of cabinet space. Sliding cabinet doors. Then you have the cabinet, also your toilet paper, and then underneath, 2 shelves, plenty of room. Very nice. And then you have an articulating mirror, and then your towel bar. Also have an exhaust fan in there, and you'd need it with, well, I won't go into that. So here's the queen bed. So we did say it was a Q, and that stands for queen bed. We have our thermostat, and it's 98 degrees in here. It's hotter outside, but it's 98 degrees in here. So it's like a sauna in the winter, this would be ideal, but we're not winter. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. Again, a 2025 Airstream 30RB for Queen. I really like this table setup. So leave a comment in the comments. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.